Let's break down how to solve a Sudoku puzzle in a simple way that anyone can understand. Imagine you have a 9x9 grid where some numbers are already filled in, and your goal is to complete the grid so that every row, column, and smaller 3x3 section has all the numbers from 1 to 9 without repeating any. To solve the puzzle, we need to find a way to place the remaining numbers in the empty spots. The key is to make sure that each number fits in a way that doesn't break the rules of Sudoku. If we put a number in a spot where it would repeat in a row, column, or section, we know it's not the right choice. So here's what we do. We start by looking at the grid and finding the first empty spot. We then try placing the number 1 in that spot and check if it fits with the numbers already around it. If it does, we move on to the next empty spot. If it doesn't fit, we try the number 2, then 3, and so on until we find a number that works. Once we find a number that fits, we continue to the next empty spot and repeat the process. But sometimes we might find that no number works in a particular spot. When this happens, we go back to the previous spot, erase our last choice, and try a different number there. This is called backtracking. It's like trying different keys until we find the one that unlocks the door. We keep doing this, moving forward when things fit and going back when they don't, until we've filled in the entire grid correctly. When every spot is filled and all the rules are followed, the puzzle is solved. This method works by carefully trying out different numbers and making sure each one fits before moving on. It might take a few tries, but eventually we'll find the right combination to solve the Sudoku puzzle.